Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ERBB. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this may look like a few weeks worth of time right here, it's actually just the past few days broken down into 30-minute time slices. I've been doing this analysis on a pretty routine basis. Did it yesterday, so that's where these red and green line annotations are coming from, and certainly wanted to do an update on it today. Very, very nice day for those of you that watched yesterday's video. Hopefully you remember me talking about, the bulls did do a good job of maintaining up above that pink line there, which is that overall level of support being the famous 200 period simple moving average. And then today kind of compounded on things, meaning again, each of these 30 minutes, I bring that up because the initial 30 minutes of the day, nice volume came in, and a nice candle formed. So not only did the price yesterday hold above that pink line, now you got a bounce from it. And after the bounce, the price actually maintained itself. What do I mean by that? Well, that's a good little segue here into the first update. And the update comes from a foundational principle in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So for those of you that did watch yesterday's video, hopefully you remember me talking about 0032 as resistance. But now that the price has broken above it and stayed above it, that would be considered an area of support, and it's actually already been tested. So a classic example, a good real-life example of resistance, then turning into support, which you can see right there. But like I said earlier, the price not only made a good move, but then it maintained it. And I am defining maintaining the move as staying up above 0032. So going forward, definitely the best case scenario, that the level that's going to make this move look the healthiest is if the price stays up above that 0032 support level. Now, if the price does fall below it, I'm not going to say that everything's ruined or anything like that. But as I talked about yesterday, the overall level, the overall must-hold level of support definitely remains at that pink line right there, the 200 period simple moving average. Now, if the price is going to continue upwards, let's map out another couple areas of resistance. Next key overall area of resistance right up here at that point, which it's at 004. 004 has a whole big history of acting as resistance. You can see knocked down the price there, knocked it down there a few times. Here, a lot of price congestion right around that area, but the price, it could break above it a few times, but the price could never maintain above it. So 004 definitely, key public enemy #1 going into tomorrow and then potentially next week. So all in all, though, good healthy day. Nice to see the price maintain the move, stay up above 0032. So we'll see what the bulls have in store for tomorrow to close out the week. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.